Tonight from the Fox 61 vaccine team in the latest phase of the COVID-19 vaccine program.
The CDC recommending booster shots of the Pfizer vaccine for millions of Americans today. Healthcare providers in Connecticut have started making booster shots available to eligible residents, as well as third doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. Alicia Machado with the Fox 61 vaccine team breaks down the differences between the two.
Hartford HealthCare and Yale New Haven Health System are two of the major hospitals ready to roll out the COVID-19 booster shots. Yale New Haven also readying a third dose of the COVID-19 vaccine for eligible residents. As for which people are able to get that, all depends on how old you are, your medical history, and how long it's been since your last dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. Some Connecticut residents jumping at the opportunity to get a COVID-19 booster shot.
We are going to do it. We're signed up. I'm old enough to remember when polio existed. And when the vaccine came for that, we were so thrilled.
The CDC approving the booster for Pfizer recipients Friday. Like the name suggests, this shot helps boost immunity.
Over time, it does actually have some decline, a little bit of a decline in their capacity to be able to fight off COVID-19. So the boosters are given to protect what is to come.
The CDC also recommends a third dose for a different set of people, aimed at helping them reach a stronger level of immunity not achieved after 2 doses. Here are the main differences. People are eligible for the booster once they wait at least 6 months after the initial vaccine, whereas the third dose option should be given 28 days after the second vaccine dose. The booster is for adults ages 65 and older, long-term care residents, people ages 18 to 64 with underlying conditions, and 18 plus at a high risk of exposure to COVID-19. On the other hand, the third dose is for people with certain immunocompromising conditions, such as blood cancer or HIV, or organ transplant recipients. Only Pfizer recipients are eligible for the booster at this time, whereas both Pfizer and Moderna recipients are eligible for a third dose. Johnson & Johnson and Moderna recipients are not yet eligible for a booster.
Both Moderna and Johnson & Johnson are in the process of submitting data to the FDA and the CDC to obtain similar approvals. But at this time, it is not recommended to interchange brands.
In addition to hospitals, some pharmacies are also readying booster shots. Eligible Pfizer recipients can now get the shots at Walgreens and CVS. CVS will administer the boosters at 46 locations in Connecticut. Teacher Tyler Lisowski from Hartford says he'll get the shot when it's his turn.
It makes me anxious a little bit sometimes being in a school with so many people, so I would definitely feel safer getting the booster and knowing that everyone was vaccinated around me.
Many hospitals and pharmacies are by appointment only, so make sure you check that out before you go in. Hartford HealthCare recommends bringing your vaccine card with you to your appointment. In West Hartford, Alicia Machado, Fox 61 News.